Looks like that bush must give up. Turn the light on. Looks like there's brushes in there. I'll pull it apart and have a look. But you see, it's a well-oiled motor. Vintage, but it's not going to work. I don't think I can see the... Oh, let me see brushes down there. No, it's spinning with it. Right, those capacitors can go on the other motor. One less, one more death rattle. MFA Stingray, it's done its last. It's a Mardave speedboat. Anyway, let's see. Put the power on, transmitter's on. Switch the ESC on. Yeah, helps if you put a battery on. There we go, Mardave mini boat. Mini speedboat. I've connected the battery this time, I'd forgotten last time. There's the transmitter bleeding because I'm not using it. Fresh receiver, that's already tuned in. Right, so switch the ESC on. Steerage. Oh. And you need 3 angles anyway, the motor is running. Albeit in reverse, so I'll turn that round. Anyway, she works, that's good. Transmitter's on. ESC on. 2 beeps. 3 beeps to say yes set. And we have steerage. And we have the motor going right way. Does do reverse as well, so well. Right, so that'll do, mate. Give it another go, another day.